Well, guys, let's start it on the basically market trend. Okay, so all you need to know that there are only three trends in the market. Okay, we only have uptrend, downtrend, and sideways. Okay, only three trend, guys. Don't simply got zigzag trend or U-turn trend. No such thing. Just only uptrend, downtrend, and sideways. This is the three important things that you need to know. Then all the chart movement must be a N shape. Okay, it won't be all the way up or all the way down. Why is N shape? Later I will show you. Okay, then you also need to remember each rising trend will come along with a retracement. Okay, then each fall will come along with a technical rebound. Okay, this is what you need to understand about the market trend. Okay, you need to know further what is the trend like. Okay, so an uptrend counter will always form higher after a retracement, and a downtrend counter will always fall lower after a technical rebound. Okay, and you need to know each chart would have their own timing or speed in running. It can be hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. It depends on what kind of trade that you are looking at. Okay, so and last but not least, the aware of an unusual rising speed. Usually, as I mentioned, for the chart rising speed, it normally normal trend. I mean, if you are on the uptrend mode, it would take roughly a year or more to have 2 times or 3 times full of the price. It won't be an instant. Let's say if today you entry a market, suddenly tomorrow or next day you can earn 2 or 3 times full of the price. It won't happen such thing. Okay, there's no instant profit. What we are doing is investing. Okay, investing, it takes few months, 3 to 6 months, or even a year. Okay, no such thing about like 7 days, 10 days. Those are like a gambling mode. I believe if you want to instant profit, Genting is the place for you lah. Okay, so as I mentioned, no such thing as you can earn 2 or 3 times full in just a couple of days. Okay, so that's all. I mean, the market trend. Okay, let's go to the what is uptrend like. So as I mentioned, this is how the uptrend like. Okay, every rise, you can see, every rise here, it will turn into retracement. After retracement, it will rise higher, and retracement back, and it will rise higher. This is what we call an uptrend market. Yes, we have a sample here on sample I pick up from the I crop up from the chart nexus. We have dialogue. Then you can see the chart all the way is moving up. You see, this is what we call rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, then rise. Okay, this is how the uptrend counter is. Same as high O also. As you see, overall is uptrend. We have rise. I think if you drill down further, we have rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Okay, so this would be how uptrend is, and we go for downtrend. Okay, downtrend. Okay, you can see there's a fall. Okay, then the technical rebound and continue to fall. Technical rebound and continue to fall. This is how downtrend like. Okay, if you see this kind of counter, do not entry. If you see this kind of pattern, don't entry this such downtrend. I mean, if you do entry, you only can play technical rebound strategy. You cannot play for midterm. If you're holding for midterm, you see, let's say you entry here, you can see the arrow. Okay, if you entry here, then what happened? Go down. Then you expect a technical rebound, and you will feel like, oh, this counter is rebounding, it will go higher. But instead of go higher, it fall down some more. So not worth to choose a downtrend counter to trade. Okay, so avoid all the downtrend counter at all costs lah. In KLC, there are few thousand counter. No need to there's majority uptrend counter is there. Okay, there also we have a downtrend counter. So why you want to choose downtrend? It's like like 10, you have 10 pretty girls out there, but yes, we also have 10 ugly girls. But why for you want to choose the 10 ugly girls while you have the 10 pretty girls around you? So choose the pretty girls, guys. Okay, so that's why I mentioned always trade on the uptrend counter, don't trade on the downtrend. Okay, so it's the same concept as you are choosing a pretty girl. If you like ugly girl, then no choice already lah, huh? Okay, but believe me, choose uptrend counter to trade. Okay, so next will be sideways. This will how sideways is. Sideways means no up down, no up down. Okay, it's just like draw. Some have draw. Today I score 1. Tomorrow they score 1. Tomorrow I score another 2. They score another 2. So this is what we call sideways. And sideways is normally is up down up down. You see the up down it remain the same line. There's a sample here on end to end. You can see the chart moving here, the chart pattern here. Starting from here, yes, it goes up about 1 point something, then it goes down, touch 0 point, touch this area, then goes up back, and the same area, then go down back, and go up back, and go down back. You see, this is how the sideways pattern is. If you drill down further, you can see a lot of sideways, but it depends on how you view the chart lah. Okay, so that's all about the market trend. So just remember, only got 3: uptrend, downtrend, sideways. Okay, 3 of the trend have their own strategy to trade with. Okay, but for myself, as I mentioned, there's a lot of pretty girls out there. Of course, I aim pretty girls only. What for? I want to aim ugly girls. So ignore all the ugly girls at all costs. Okay, sideways is tradable, but require some strategy lah. Okay, so I'm more on uptrend and a little bit of sideways only. Okay, so this is how the market trend is. Okay, let's go to next chapter.